Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Volvo XC90 versus BMW X3. Focus on safety, space, performance, and running costs to pick the right SUV for your needs. I'll walk through cabin comfort, cargo flexibility, engine options, fuel economy, and typical maintenance expectations. Think about passenger capacity and towing needs when choosing. I'll give practical buying tips and which model makes sense for daily commuting, family trips, or occasional towing anytime. Both SUVs offer strong safety features and comfortable cabins, but their focus differs slightly. Volvo prioritizes advanced passive safety with roomy seating and intuitive tech, while BMW leans toward driver engagement and sportier seating. I'll explain real-world seat comfort, child seat install ease, and visibility in city driving. We'll compare ride isolation, noise levels, and available driver assists, so you can choose the model that balances comfort and confidence for your daily routines. Quick recommendation: if meal prep or organized snacks are part of your routines, check out leak-proof containers that keep food secure and fit most fridge shelves. They stack neatly, resist leaks, and save cleanup time during road trips in either SUV. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more comparisons you enjoy. Look in the description for the container link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. When it comes to engines and handling, the XC90 and X3 deliver different experiences. The BMW typically offers sharper handling and quicker acceleration from smaller turbo engines, while the Volvo emphasizes smooth power delivery and diesel or hybrid options for efficiency. I'll cover horsepower, torque feel, transmission behavior, and fuel consumption in mixed driving. Also, we'll discuss towing capacity and long trip comfort, helping you pick based on driving style and fuel priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.